Yes, good evening. Hi, it's Nadeem here. Yes, well, I've just arrived to the Battersea Power Station, the Battersea complex. As you can, if I can make you see some flats. So as you can see, the Battersea Power Station is surrounded by a complex of flats. So it's a must-visit venue. So it's a very nice, it's a pretty well-crafted vicinity where you can bring your families and friends along and visit this place. I'm entering the Battersea Power Station shopping mall now. So I've just entered in, and let me show you around what it looks like inside the power station. So as you can see, there are plenty of shops. You've got designer shops, you've got coffee shops, and it's sold it encompasses with all designer shops. They've done a great job. They've been at it for a number of years to convert this power station into a complex shopping mall. Yes, it's expensive, so as you can see. So it's a must-see complex. I don't know whether some of you have been here or not. So let me just show you around what the new Battersea Power Station looks like. So it's quite close from where I live. Yeah, it's a good place to wander around and shop around, but bearing in mind it is quite expensive. So I'm going to sign off for now. I'm going to sign off now, and I'll keep you updated with any new progress. Thank you.